1949 Willys Overland Jeepster here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Has the inline 4-cylinder, 134 cubic inches or 2.2 liter. That has been rebuilt with hardened valves. 3-speed manual transmission, shifter on the column. Let's take a look at the chrome up front. You can see chrome shows its age some. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, top up, top down. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Previous owner states newer tires on this one. Wide white wall bias ply. Steel wheels. Center cap, beauty rings. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Has a newer vinyl front seat. We'll get over to the driver's side. Check out the interior a little closer. Start it up, let you hear it run. Does have seat belts up front, as you can see, otherwise stock dash. Electric overdrive is working, actually has a new wiring harness also. Wipers work, heater works. We'll put the top up here and put the side curtains on. Check that out towards the end of the video also. Of course, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Side curtains I have over here in the floor, so we're going to put those in when we get the top up. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You get a good look at the rear bumper, spare tire mounted on the rear. A couple notes from the technician that looked at this one. Little play in the front kingpins. Drives out nice. Your typical just seeps as far as drivetrain go on one that's driven. And this one has. This will be a fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Of course, the steps coming up the side so you could get into the back if you wanted to do it that way. Always that passenger seat does fold forward. You can climb in that way also. Rubber flooring. Again, newer vinyl seat. Seat belts up front. Overdrive right down here. Pretty stock looking dash. Manual choke right here. I got it set in about the spot I want it. Starter is underneath the dash right back up here. So we're going to turn this key on. Push that starter. Fires right up. There's also a clock there that is in on. Make sure we're in neutral. The gauges look here. Looks like oil pressure came up some. Whoops. A little cold-blooded. Better warm up a tad. That was a cold start, as you can see here. Fuel gauge, amp meter. Light switch in the center. Alright, we're getting her warmed up. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. It does have a complete exhaust from the front to the rear. Of course, no cats on this age vehicle. Sounds good. Again, rebuilt, 2.2 liter, straight 4-cylinder. I believe the Go Devil engine was its nickname. And that does have hardened valves in it. All right, let me pause this a second. I'll get this hood open. We'll check out that engine bay. Get a look at the underside of the hood. And engine bay, single Zenith carb on there. Six-volt system yet. And again, new wiring. Wiring harness under the dash is Basically what the previous owner replaced. Running smooth. All right, let me go ahead and get the convertible top up, and we'll check out the condition of that. And then, like I said, Jason will take this for a drive at the very end of the video. And here it is with the top up, side curtains in. So manual top, of course. Easy enough to fold up and latch, though. Nice tight fit above the windshield. A couple little wear spots on it. I did notice one right here above the driver's side that's been repaired. Side curtains don't fit bad at all. Got them snapped on the bottom. It's one of those where if you needed it to keep you out of a shower, maybe the sun, it's going to serve its purpose just fine. One little spot back here, I noticed it was kind of separated right there. Not bad. Rear window nice and clear. There's black vinyl. Then over here, a little wear spot above that passenger door. But overall, not too bad a shape. Be a fun one for the summer. 1949 Jeepster. That rebuilt 2.2 liter in it, hardened valves, 3-speed manual transmission, shifter on the column. All those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Number to call, 507-386-1726, and we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1949 Willys Jeepster. Could there be very many SUVs before this one in 1949? It's like a convertible SUV. The little bit of noise you can hear is the zipper from the soft top rattling in the wind. Not very many people are going to drive with this soft top up, but we thought we'd give you that experience. It's a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. We have an aftermarket installed blinker attachment on the column, and that appears to be working. The speedometer is also showing me miles per hour. The fuel gauge is showing 1/4 of a tank. Amps are charging over halfway. They're about 3/4 of the way on the gauge. Oil pressure is showing about 12 psi. Now, you're not looking for a lot of psi in this type of a motor, so that works. Temperature about 180, straight in the middle of the gauge. That's looking good as well. There is a pull to the left, and the steering wheel is cocked to the right, but the cocking of the steering wheel does not affect performance. We have a clock mounted in the support for the column. A very unique vehicle. Definitely take a look at all the pictures of this vehicle and all the details, and give us a call if you have any questions. The website is uniqueclassiccars.com.